Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm a YouTuber and traveler from Hanoi. I've lived and studied in many countries around the world, but today I'm gonna take you around my home country, Vietnam. I'm on my way to Hoi An for the full moon festival tonight, but I really want to stop by and show you My Son Sanctuary. This is a World Heritage site, and it's definitely a must-see when you come to Vietnam. Welcome to Hoi An. We're now at Phu Kien Assembly Hall. This place has historically been used by local people to gather around trading or mutual assistance in times of need. It is also known for housing 3 goddesses with extraordinary talents in relation to the sea, being able to spot ships from thousands of miles away to protect the fishermen. This is most relevant when you understand that Hoi An have historically been a prosperous port in Vietnam, situated only a few kilometers away from the beach and cut across by a river canal. We're heading out now to explore the rest of the city. Let's go! Behind me is Hoi An's most iconic tourist spot, the Japanese Bridge, which was built in the 16th century. The statues of the monkeys and the dogs at both ends of the bridge mark the beginning year and the ending year of the construction of the bridge, according to Chinese calendar. There are a lot of lanterns in Hoi An, so right now I'm gonna hop into this shop and learn how to make one. So come with me. Yo, this is my first lantern ever. I never made one, so it's not perfect, but I think I'm gonna keep it. Right now we're heading to the river, getting ready for the Lantern Festival tonight. Let's go! The sun is coming down. We're trying to get on a boat to get a closer view with the lantern, the river. Later on, they're gonna turn off all the lights on the streets. And so the only lights we're gonna see is the lights on the lantern. So let's go. So happy that I came out to Hoi An. It's truly a magical little town. So if you guys like this local story of Hoi An, you can watch my other local stories of Hanoi and Da Nang. Right now, I'm heading out to make a wish. Hope to see you guys soon.